Why do some metal panels last 10 plus years, while others fail in just one? Material secrets. The invisible microworld. Aluminum-zinc-magnesium plate. Self-healing repair factor. Aluminum plate. Lightweight but soft, prone to internal damage. Inferior board. Loose structure, destined to fail early. Process showdown. Hot versus cold pressing. Hot pressing. 150C fusion bonding. Cold pressing. Room temperature with hidden air bubbles. Installation code, the art of force. More anchors does not equal better. 6 to 8 anchors. M2 plus staggered layout equals perfect stress balance. Secret, let panels breathe freely while staying secure. D-Star Technology, future-proof engineering. We predict stress changes 10 years ahead. Implant anti-deformation genes during production. Each panel has its unique ID. Full traceability, predictable quality. We don't sell panels, we sell permanent stability.